CrafTea Cat, and today I'm going to be doing a review of these fruit putties. So I was just walking through my local dollar store and I was in the toy section and I stumbled across these fruit putties, which I had seen all over Instagram, and I literally freaked out. I was like, oh my gosh, this is the coolest thing. So I decided to pick some up and do a review on these. So each of these were $1.25, which I think is a reasonable price. You can get them definitely cheaper online, but I thought they were just so cute I couldn't pass up. I did see on the package that there's a dragon fruit and it looked like there was a pineapple too. But I only found these 4, which were the lemon, watermelon, orange, and then kiwi. Which my favorite 2 are these 2, the kiwi and the watermelon. But if I see any of these other ones, I will definitely pick them up and post them on Instagram. But for now, we only have these 4. Without further ado, let's just get into opening each one, and I will do a full, in-depth video on each of them. So we're going to start with the orange first, because the orange is my least favorite. I just realized that there's a black thing that could be inside the putty, or it could be on the outside. It looks like it's inside the putty, so that's kind of gross. So this is just what the package looks like. It says fruit putty, $1.25, and on the back it says squish it, bounce it, stretch it. This fruit putty is safe, it's super fun to play with. It acts as a great stress reliever, even for adults. It will not leave any stains on the furniture or carpets. Stored in a portable, easy to carry container. Warning, not a food item, do not ingest. Minimum required age is 5. So let's just bust right in. Oh wow, so this completely already came off. Oh, look at that. If it'll focus. It's really weird. And yeah, there's a thing in it, so that's kind of gross. And I don't know why this thing isn't okay, there we go. It's staying on. It's weirdly sliding off, it's not staying on. It's really weird. Cheaply made, but there we go, it's staying on. So apparently you pop this off, which is super easy to pop off, and then you could just crack it open. So I'm just gonna smell this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This smells so bad. It smells like. Oh my gosh. Oh. It smells so gross. It's a super thick putty. It's really rippable. Oops, I just lost a chunk. This one's really hard. I feel like it's just a batch issue. So this one was a really bad one. So I just opened the last 3 just so I wouldn't have to waste that. But if you would like a longer video of any of these, I will be posting them on Instagram. So next I'm going to be doing the lemon putty. So again, you just pop this off. And I noticed on this one that there are little speckles that weren't on the orange one. The little texture. It's really cute. And you just pop off the bottom. Whoa! I'm gonna smell this one. This one kind of smells like banana. Guys, have you gotten these? Because this one kind of smells like banana. It smells like that disgusting chemical smell, but then it smells like banana. This one's really pretty. This one's less rippy, just by a little bit. Definitely smells better. It doesn't smell as chemically. It smells like, I think it smells like banana. I thought they were gonna smell like the fruits, but no. Next is the kiwi putty. Same as last time, you just pop it off.
And then open up the bottom.
This color's really pretty. I'm just gonna smell it quickly. Oh, yeah, this one smells just as gross as the first one.
They're really hard. Thought they'd be stretchier. I celebrated my sister's 12th birthday. I don't know what my sister's turning. I'm back!
Yes, I just took a break, but the last putty is the watermelon putty, and I'm just gonna do this super quickly. This one is really clear and really pretty, but it also smells like absolute skunk. Okay, so that's it for this putty review, the fruit putty review. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. These were kind of a fail because they smelled gross and they weren't that good putty. But if you've tried these and they're better, please tell me your experience down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! What? I'm filming. Smell this.
We can check if everything is accounted for.
Okay. I'm just trying to film this. The last putty is the watermelon. Why are there lines? Ah! But, yum. I was just walking through my local dollar. Oh! Shoot. That's not supposed to happen.
If you know